I'm Isha from Grade 3. I'm going to talk about types of nouns. Nouns are name of people, animal, place or thing. Some examples are boy, Coimbatore, dog and box. There are different types of nouns such as common noun, proper noun, collective noun, singular noun, plural noun. Nouns are the general name of a person, animal, place or thing. Examples are boy, dog, park and car. Nouns are the special names such as Ramu, Tom, Coimbatore and Potri. Noun refers a group of people, animal, place or thing. Example, audience, team, family, pack. Noun names only one person, animal, place or thing. Examples are box, boat, cat, girl. Noun names more than one person, animal, place or thing. For example, boxes, boats, cats and girls. For watching.